At sisimulan po natin ang ating diskusyon sa pag-e-explore ng mga posibilidad in getting in touch with your loved ones through the computer or the internet. At para po i-guide tayo sa usapang yan, narito po si Miss Maricor Abol na siyang... I'm sorry?
Akol.
Akol! I'm so sorry. Let me say that again. Miss Maricor Akol, na siyang presidente ng Philippine National IT Standard Foundation.
At makakasama rin natin po sa usapang ito si Sir Calixto Ong, the second owner naman ng phsite.com, isang internet shop na may 2 branches na ngayon, isa rin siyang website creator, dating IT manager. Good afternoon and thank you for joining us.
Yes.
Alright, well, pinag-uusapan natin ngayon yung iba't ibang ways na makipag-communicate ng mga tao saan man sila sa mundo. Di ba? Marami na pong paraanan. Before we got on air, si Ms. Maricar, we're talking about texting naman po. Hindi lang pala texting ang kaya gawin ng cellphone ngayon na medyo mas makatipid. Paano po ba yung mayroon pa kayong ibang paraan na masasuggest?
Hindi ko alam kung narinig na nila yung tungkol sa Barra Blue or F-Ring or
Barra
Fring.
Blue. Okay.
Barra Blue. Kung pwede, titingnan na lang nila sa Google. I-search nila yung Barra Blue.
Ano po spelling nun?
B-A-R-A-B-L-U.
Okay, Barra Blue.
Barra Blue. Pwede nyo ma-download doon yung software para pwede kayo maka-access sa cellphone ninyo. You can talk for free. But you have to be in a Wi-Fi zone.
Ayun. Kasi marami na po mga cellphone ngayon na may built-in Wi-Fi eh.
Yes.
Hindi lang yung mga malalaking parang communicator or no. Even small phones, as simple as this. Actually, this one, alam ko, nasa 12,000 pesos.
Yeah,
pero may Wi-Fi to. It's a basic
Wow.
Nokia phone, pero may Wi-Fi na siya. So, sinasabi niyo, basta may Wi-Fi at
Yes.
nag-download yung program na yun,
They can talk, they can access that website, then they can talk, basta Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi.
Right,
Okay?
right.
So kung yung pamilya, meron siyang Wi-Fi dito, yung pamilya, yung nasa abroad, may Wi-Fi din, they can talk for free.
Kahit sa
Magagalit
cellphone.
yung mga
Unlimited po
carriers.
yun?
Yes, but of course, they have to be,
Wow.
they have to have their internet access.
Correct.
so either they're in a hotspot in a coffee
Yes.
shop or may
Yes.
Wi-Fi access within their office or sa
Yes.
bahay nila, okay na yun.
Kaya nga, ang pinapakiusapan sana natin sa mga carriers is sana yung access they can give bulk rate. Okay, like it's like in Europe, I think there is let's say 150 pesos for 25 megabits per month. So
Right.
that's a flat rate. Hindi yung kamukha rito na 10 pesos per 30
minutes.
minutes.
Which is
Okay?
actually a good rate na.
Yeah, that's
Kung
good.
tutuusin,
But
yeah.
if you look at it, because you're talking about broadband.
Right.
Okay, so if you can anyway access sana through yung bulk rate na lang para mas makakapag-usap yung mga
Right. Which is the
ating
way
ano.
how most internet providers are nowadays. May mga 900 pesos a month na
Oo,
home
yeah.
subscription, pero unlimited yun.
Yes.
So, naman, sana naman.
Oo nga,
Magawa
diba?
nila ganun kamura.
That would be nice. Para dito lang sa ating kaibigan na, may tatanong ako tungkol sa internet naman. I mean, other than yung pag-i-email, ano pa ba yung ibang ways ng pagko-communicate with the loved ones using the internet?
Okay. Sa internet po kasi ngayon, very unlimited yung possibilities kasi every now and then may mga new technologies na nade-develop.
Yes.
So, like for example, sa Yahoo ngayon, even it's free. You can talk to your loved ones through video and audio. So, you can call them using Yahoo.
Right.
Unlimited na yung calls nyo. And nakikita nyo pa yung loved ones nyo.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. So, isa yon.
And that's new, that's fairly new kasi dati meron na mga gumagawa na ng ganun pero hindi masyadong sikat. Like for example, Skype, 'di ba? Pero Yahoo, I'm sure like almost everybody has at least a Yahoo
Yeah.
email, 'di ba? So pag naka-Yahoo mail kayo at naka-online kayo, tapos online din yung kamag-anak ninyo, na-alert ka na ngayon, 'di ba? Nasasabihan ka na eh. So ang dami ng paraan. Pero you've seen it, sir. I mean, you own an internet shop, but have you seen people who actually go there online for the purpose of communicating with others via chat?
Yeah, actually, most dito sa isang branch namin in Pasig is mostly ang mga customers namin doon is mga familia nila is nasa abroad. So, parati talaga yan, talagang minsan nag-stay sila ng mga halos inaabot minsan ng 6 hours
Wow.
just to talk to their loved ones. Kasi
Sulit.
parang
Oo.
parang dala-dala pa yung lolo, yung
Ang
lola,
cute naman.
pati yung apo. So, everyone in the family is there just to talk to
Okay.
their parent who are in abroad.
Pero Mr. Calixto, ano ba dun sa tingin mo, yung dun sa nakikita mo since you own an internet shop nga, ano yung favorite nila, ano yung favorite what do you call this, way dun sa internet, ano yung pinaka nila doon, ginagamit?
Number one talaga yung chatting. Saka yung,
Chatting talaga.
and then, Friendster.
Friendster.
Kasi they take pictures from dun sa ibang bansa, nag-take sila ng pictures, dun nilalagay nila sa Friendster. So hindi nagsasawa yung mga pamilya, tinitignan. Minsan nakikita mo pa ulit-ulit, araw-araw, yun na yata yung tinitignan ng pictures eh.
Correct.
So aside from that then po, like for example, you take videos sa abroad, you can also upload that through YouTube.
Ay, oo.
So you can
Even na cellphone video, di ba? So
Yeah.
kahit na yung mga nandun walang video cam or
Yes.
handycam,
Yeah.
kahit cellphone video pwede na.
Ang galing talaga. Pero I'm sure, alam mo, Teach, marami pa rin nai-intimidate sa mga terms when it
right.
comes to yung mga natin ngayon, technologies. Like, di ba, pag sinabi mong IT, yung iba parang, naku, ano yun? Ano yung web? Ano ba yan? Ano ba talaga ang definition ng IT, Mr. Calixto?
Actually, when you say IT, it is the whole scope of the information technology, no?
Correct,
So, but there are different technologies or parang masabi natin na technology na may specification talaga ng specialty. Like for sa web, we are not just an internet cafe, we are also a web hosting company and web development. So, marami kami, actually may mga clients kami na mga individuals lang, nagpuput up ng blog, pinapahost sa amin. Just to
Okay.
put their pictures there for their family to see.
Ayun, na-mention ni Mr. Calixto yung blog. Ano ba po talaga yung blog for the benefit of our friends na hindi pa talaga completely naiintindihan yung...
Okay, actually, a blog is like an online diary.
Ah,
Public.
journal,
Yeah,
alright.
public.
Pero
Yeah.
public siya.
Yeah,
Basta alam
public.
nila yung website mo.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
yun
ganun.
na yun. That's as basic as it is.
Yeah,
You can put
it's so
anything you
simple.
want.
You can put anything, pictures, stories, what's happening to you daily. So, pinopost
So in
nila.
essence, yung mga social networking site like Friendster, MySpace, Multiply, they are forms of blogs.
Yeah.
In other words, forms of blogs. Pero sir, siguro kailangan natin ma-address yung mga hindi pa sumusubok ng ganito na medyo na-intimidate. Tulad sinasabi ni
Yeah.
Vicky na, ay, mahirap lang kami, wala kaming pera pambili ng computer,
Yun.
ganito, ganyan. How easy is it and how cheap is it to go to, let's say, a internet cafe, and when they go there, magkano yung gagastusin nila for 1 hour of usage? And then,
More or less.
meron bang makakatulong sa kanila doon? May tuturo ba sa, for example, yung mga tauhan nyo, kaya ba nilang turuan kung paano mag-chat yung mga yan? First-timers.
Yeah, actually, for 15 to 20 pesos per hour, it's already cheap. And then,
Wow.
magpa-assist lang sila, makiusap lang sila doon sa internet shop. Pwede naman sila makiusap sa may-ari na pwede ba patulong nito. Anyway, tutulungan naman kayo nun dahil syempre, you will be a return customer later.
Ang galing! And it's so affordable, 15 to 20 pesos per 1 hour. Aba, sulit na sulit yan. Pero alam niyo mga pamilya, sa aming pagbabalik, sasahugan na rin natin ang ating kwentuhan ng usapang tungkol sa mobile technology. Kaya itutok lang nyo ang inyong mga mata sa panonood dito lang sa Kwentong Sisyato.